When your hips are tight and your lower back feels stiff, even small things feel heavy. But just a few minutes of breath and movement can change your whole day. Let's hit the mat. When you feel stuck physically or emotionally, this is the release your hips crave. Stand with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width, toes turned out, drop into a squat, bringing your elbows inside your knees. Press your palms together and gently push your knees open. Keep your spine long and chest lifted. I promise this move is how you unlock your inner hips and emotional buildup. Need support? Place a block or pillow under your hips. Do you feel that in your hips yet? Let it open a little more with every exhale. Now that your back's loose, let's open your hips. This one's for the part of you that's been bracing too long. Step your right foot forward into a lunge, left leg back with the knee on the ground. Inhale to rise gently through your chest. Exhale to sink into your hips. Add a slow forward and back rock, letting your body guide the depth. I promise this move is how you unlock flow where you've been stuck in defense mode. Feeling tight? Keep your hands on the ground for support and shorten your stance. Hold for 5 more seconds and soften your shoulders. Now that your hips are fluid, let's go even deeper. There's a kind of release that only comes when you're finally still. Bring your right knee forward toward your right wrist, shin angled in front of you. Extend your left leg behind, slowly fold forward over your front leg, using a pillow or your arms for support. I promise this move is how you unlock hidden tension in your glutes and lower back. Need support? Place a roll blanket under your right hip. Let's make this your strongest hold yet. Balance is permission to feel both strong and soft. Switch sides, left knee forward, right leg back, fold gently down, let gravity guide you. Instead of force, I promise this move is how you unlock emotional weight hiding in your body. Keep your front heel closer to the body to reduce intensity. You've come this far, stay with me. Now that your hips have spoken, let's listen to your lower back. When your lower back whispers for help, this is how you answer. Sit tall and gently pull your right knee toward your chest. Let your left leg extend long and your shoulders pull back and relax. I promise this move is how you unlock deep comfort in your lumbar spine. Want to deepen it? Add a small ankle circle or breathe deeper into the belly. Hold for 5 more seconds and let it melt. Every side of you deserves attention, even the one that feels fine. Switch legs, pull your left knee in, breathe slower, soften everything. I promise this move is how you unlock lower body balance and emotional grounding. Too much? Place a pillow under your extended leg for more ease. Let's end in peace, with the posture your body remembers from rest. Now that you've realigned, let's settle you into stillness. You don't have to do anything to earn rest. You just have to receive it. Come back to a kneeling position, bring your big toes together, knees wide. Fold forward, arms reaching or resting beside your body. Let your forehead rest and your breath slow down. I promise this move is how you unlock your ability to breathe through life, not brace against it. Knee comfort? Rest your chest on the pillow or fold your arms under your forehead. Let's make this last one your softest exhale yet. You've earned this piece, don't rush out of it.